Reproduction, the characteristic of living things. What do we learn from these pictures? The process of reproduction is shown in the above pictures. Plants are shown to perform process of reproduction in different ways. Bryophyllum is growing new plantlets through its leaf. Rose plant will develop a new sapling through its cuttings. Bird has laid the eggs. The foal is seen along with its mother, mare. That means we learn that all living beings, whether plants or animals, reproduce in different ways. Living things produce other living things like themselves. Some animals give birth to their young ones. Some lay eggs. Their young ones hatch out of the eggs. New plants are produced from the seeds, stems, or leaves of plants. The process by which a living thing generates a new living thing like itself is called reproduction or procreation. Use your brain power. Why have so many types of plants and animals been able to survive on the earth even today? All the animals and plants have ability to reproduce young ones similar to themselves. Also, they have ability to adjust themselves to the conditions in their surroundings. Due to this ability, we have so many types of plants and animals, and they have been able to survive on the earth even today. Observe and discuss a definite lifespan. At a certain stage of life, living things become capable of reproduction. After the reproduction stage, their organs become weak and still later, their life comes to an end. In other words, living things die. The lifespans of different animals and plants are different. For example, the lifespan of the dog is about 12 to 18 years, while the ostrich lives for 50 years. Do you know the lifespan of the giant turtle found on Galapagos Island in South America is about 170 years. On the other hand, the lifespan of the mayfly ranges from 1 hour to 24 hours. Observe a honeycomb and a wall. What are they made of? You may have seen the small compartments of a honeycomb. These compartments are joined together to form a honeycomb. A wall has bricks. To construct a wall, we firmly join the bricks together. A cellular structure. Living things are made of small units called cells. All the actions and processes in the bodies of living things are brought about with the help of these microscopic cells. Some living things are made of a single cell. These are called unicellular organisms. On the other hand, the living things that are made of many cells are called multicellular organisms. The amoeba and some other microorganisms are unicellular, while man, cow, mouse, cockroach, elephant, banyan tree, the onion plant, etc. are all multicellular organisms. All the characteristics of living things are seen in every cell of a living thing, whether it is unicellular or multicellular. Cellular structure is the main characteristic of living things, even though the number of cells may vary. Institute at work. The institutes that work for the survey and conservation of various plants and animals in different parts of India are the Botanical Survey of India 1890 and the Zoological Survey of India 1916 respectively. In case you find an unfamiliar plant or animal in your surroundings, you can communicate with these institutes to obtain more information about it.